Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best replacement battery is probably one of the most crucial upgrades you can make for your Bose Soundlink speaker. As portable speakers become essential for music lovers, the battery life is a key factor. If your speaker's performance has declined, a new battery can breathe new life into your device. In this video, we'll dive into the best replacement options, helping you find the perfect match to keep the music playing. Number 5. BatteryMon battery for Bose Mini 1 speaker. This is a replacement battery specifically designed for the Bose Soundlink Mini 1 speaker. It's a 7.4V Li polymer battery with a capacity of 21.46 Wh. Make sure this is the right one for your speaker. This battery is compatible with speaker models 061384, 061385, 061386, and 063287. Please note that it does not include a connection cable or control board. Double-check your speaker model before purchasing. This battery is only for the Bose Soundlink Mini 1 Mini-I speaker. It is not compatible with the Mini 2 or Bose 123 series speakers. Ensure it fits your specific model. The BatteryMon battery has undergone factory testing to ensure quality. It uses grade A cells for fast charging and low power consumption. Built-in circuit protection ensures safety and stability. It is CE, FCC, and RoHS certified. We offer a 6-month product replacement guarantee. If you're not satisfied with it for any reason, please contact us. We are here to support you and provide solutions. What we like. This battery is specifically designed for your Bose Soundlink Mini 1 speaker. It has passed factory testing and is CE, FCC, RoHS certified for safety. If you're looking for a reliable replacement for your Mini 1, this is a great choice. If you have the Bose Mini 1 speaker and need a replacement, this is the perfect fit. What people say. Installation was super easy and the new battery fit perfectly. Swapping out the old for the new battery was a piece of cake, taking less than 5 minutes. The new one still hasn't triggered the low charge light after some 12 days as I write this. Number 4. KingSener battery for Bose Soundlink 3 and 2. This is a replacement battery for your Bose Soundlink 3 and Soundlink mobile speaker 2. It's designed to provide reliable power, so you can enjoy your music without interruption. The battery has a capacity of 2,330 mAh and operates at 11.1 V. This ensures it delivers the power your speaker needs for optimal performance. It features a high-quality built-in circuit protection board. This guarantees safe and durable usage, protecting against short circuits, overheating, and overload. The battery is designed for over 500 recharge cycles, offering a long lifespan. It's built with A++ cells for fast charging and low power consumption. This battery is compatible with Bose Soundlink 3 and Soundlink mobile speaker 2. It replaces part numbers 359498, 330107, 359495, 330105, and 404600. KingSener's factory ensures strict quality control. The battery is certified and equipped with multiple safety features. KingSener offers professional customer service. If you encounter any quality issues, they will replace the battery for free. Contact them anytime via email for assistance. What we like. This battery boasts a high-quality built-in circuit protection board for durable usage and safety. It also comes with multiple safety features, including short-circuit and overheat protection. If you're looking for a battery with a strong emphasis on safety and reliable performance, you should consider this one. What people say. Was a easy and perfect fit and worked great. Easy to install. Speaker worked immediately even before charging. Took full charge without problem. Easy to install and is working very well. Number 3. Bose Soundlink replacement battery. Are you looking for a replacement battery for your Bose Soundlink? This battery is designed to replace the original battery. It is a reliable and affordable choice for your device. This replacement battery is compatible with multiple Bose Soundlink models, including Soundlink, Soundlink 2, and Soundlink 3. It also works with SoundTouch 20. It is a versatile choice. This battery has passed CE, UL, and RoHS certifications. It is built with safety in mind. You can trust its quality. The battery features short circuit protection, overcurrent protection, over-discharge protection, overheating protection, and overcharging protection. It ensures the safety of your device. It is a safe choice. With 20 years of experience in battery replacement, we are committed to quality. It provides reliable and long-term performance. This is a trustworthy battery. What we like. This battery has triple certifications, ensuring quality and safety. With 20 years of experience in battery replacement, they invest in quality. If you are looking for a reliable and affordable option for your Soundlink, this is a great choice. What people say. Installation was so easy. For screws that took no time at all. It fits perfectly and recharged quickly. Great battery, has made old SoundDock perform like new again, and it's over 10 years old. Replaced my 15-year-old battery in the Bose Soundlink with this battery. Excellent. Number 2. Bose Soundlink 3 battery replacement. Is your Bose Soundlink 3 speaker not lasting as long as it used to? This replacement battery is the solution. It will bring your speaker back to life. This battery is compatible with multiple Bose Soundlink models, including the Soundlink 3, Soundlink 2, and SoundTouch 20. It also works with various part numbers. The battery is Li-ion, with 11.1 V and 2230 mAh capacity. It's a perfect fit for your speaker, ensuring optimal performance. This battery is 100% new from the manufacturer. You can expect up to 500 recharge cycles, providing long-lasting use. For the best results, discharge the battery to 5% and then charge it to 95%. Repeat this cycle 3 to 4 times to maximize its lifespan. What we like. This battery offers a Li-ion design with up to 500 recharge cycles. It is compatible with a wide range of Bose Soundlink models. If you need a long-lasting battery for your Soundlink 3 or other compatible models, this is the one for you. What people say. It worked perfectly and saved me from throwing away a perfectly good Bose speaker. Took 3 to 5 minutes to replace the battery of my old Bose Soundlink 3. My Soundlink 3 battery was dead and would not charge and not work even when plugged in. Was going to just buy a new one, but thought I would try to fix it. Playing music right now and charging. Unit works like new again. Number 1. Bose Mini 1 speaker battery upgrade. This is an upgraded battery, designed specifically for the Bose Soundlink Mini 1 speaker and Mini I speaker. It's a perfect replacement to bring your speaker back to life. Please note that it is not compatible with other models. This battery is only suitable for Bose Soundlink Mini 1 and Mini I speakers. Please make sure your speaker model matches before purchasing. It is not for Mini 2 or Bose 123 series. This battery is compatible with part numbers 061384, 061385, 061386, and 063287. Please check your original battery's part number before you buy. It does not include connecting wires or a control board. The battery has a voltage of 7.4 V and is a Li-ion type with a capacity of 2600 mAh 19.24 Wh. It's a reliable power source to keep your speaker running longer. When you use this battery for the first time, it will enter a protective state. You'll need to charge it for an extended period to activate it fully. Don't worry if it seems like it's not charging initially, this is normal. Before you buy, please double-check that your original battery's part number or speaker model is correct. This will ensure that it fits your device perfectly. What we like. This upgraded battery is designed for your Bose Mini 1 speaker. The upgraded version will enter a protective state when used for the first time and requires a long period of charging to activate. If you want a longer-lasting battery for your Mini 1, this is the perfect choice. What people say. New battery was easy to install and works well. Special screwdriver was included for installation. Installed this battery and that did the trick. Back to playing like a new speaker. Installation was pretty straightforward except the screws put up a fight. No issues with replacing the battery, and it even came with the screwdriver required for the special screw heads. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.